Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss first chapter of our life bioscience, that's life processes. Dear students, you all know what are difference between living and non-living things. All the living things which are alive, they have some characteristics, or we can say features, which make them different from non-living things. The characteristics of living things, all of you must be knowing that what are characteristics of, or we can say what are features of living things. Living things can move by themselves. Living things need food, air and water. Living things can grow. Living things can respond to change around them. Living things respire. This means they release energy from food. Living things excrete. This means they get rid of waste materials from their body. And living things can reproduce. This means they can have their young ones. Thus, dear students, these are the different characteristics of living things. Now, this means all the organisms, or we can say all the living things, they perform some basic functions to keep themselves alive. And these functions which the living organisms perform in order to live, these are known as, what's our first chapter of bioscience, that is life processes. Then what are life processes? Life processes are basic functions performed by living organisms in order to sustain their life on this earth. Now, life processes are those basic functions which are performed by every living organism, plants, animals and human beings, in order to sustain their life on this earth. Now, if we will say what is the first life process, if I will ask you what is the first function, what is the basic function that we perform in order to live. First, dear students, you all know we need food to live. We need food to live, and this means and we need food for what? We need food. We need food to get energy, and how that energy is transported to every part of our body, and जो वेस्ट मटेरियल्स हमारी बॉडी में बनते हैं, हाउ दे आर एक्सपेल्ड, और वी कैन से हाउ दे आर एक्सक्रीटेड फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी, and this reproduction, how this generation continues. This means these are the life processes. These are the functions which living organisms perform. Let us give a brief introduction of these functions. First life process is nutrition. Dear students, what is nutrition? Nutrition is simply taking enough food inside the body and converting it into smaller molecules which are absorbed by the body. What is nutrition? Beta, nutrition क्या होती है? Nutrition is simply when we take food inside our body, and how that is converted into smaller molecules and which can be absorbed by our body cells. This means taking enough food and utilizing it for various functions. That is what is known as nutrition. That's what is known as nutrition. Nutrition is simply taking enough food and utilizing it. And इसमें फिर digestion भी आती है, process of digestion, and there are different systems which perform these processes, which perform these functions, by which these functions are carried out in the body of living organisms. Second is how energy is released from that food. There is another process that takes place in our body, that's respiration. What's respiration? Respiration is better simply, it is process which release energy from the food. What's respiration? Respiration is that process in which energy is released from the food that is absorbed by our body. That is respiration. Third, when energy is released from that food, how that food reaches to each and every part of our body, or we can say each and every cell of our body. There is another process that takes place in our body, that is transport. What is transport? It is the process in which a substance or food absorbed or made in one part of the body is moved to other parts of the body. That is what is transportation, or we can say transport. It's another life process. Now, food reaches each and every part of our body. Their wastes are produced, and how these wastes are expelled or excreted from our body. There is another life process which is known as excretion. What's excretion? Excretion is the process by which waste materials that are produced in cells of the body are removed from our body. That's what is known as excretion. Now, another life process, that is control and coordination. Dear students, as I mentioned, मैंने आपको बोला कि जो living things है, they respond to change around them. You know, when we will feel any change in the environment, we respond to that. That is how we respond to these changes. There is another life process that takes place in our body, that is control and coordination. This means control and coordination ये वो process है which helps the living organisms to survive in the changing environment around them. All living organisms, whether plants, animals, human beings, all living organisms, they respond to the change in the environment. Got it? Now, reproduction. There is another life process that is known as reproduction. What is reproduction? It is the process by which more and more organisms are formed from the existing ones. This means reproduction process, it involves the making of more organisms from the existing ones so that the organisms जो है they could live on the earth forever. This means due to this reproduction, it helps, it ensures continuity of race. It ensures continuity of generations. This is another process which the living organisms perform in order to sustain their life on earth. This is brief introduction about different life processes. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss them one by one. Allah Hafiz.